Here's Amelia's first day at the beach.
Amelia.
You like it?
Yeah.
See the ocean. Where's the ocean? Why you want to dress to the ocean? Yeah. She does not want to be in the sand right now. Come here.
You wanna sit in Mama's lap? There you go. You gotta get your sea legs, or sand legs maybe.
Stretch there too, girlfriend.
Is that a new one?
I don't know.
Girlfriend, where are you getting scratched from? Hi. Are you putting sand on me? Are you putting sand on Dada?
Says yes.
Like the beach?
It's so sandy, huh?
I was like, Amelia, the whole world is your sand table.
Yes, that's right. That's right.
Not a bad day for the beach. It's a little
No.
windy, but keeps it cool in the sun.
Yep. We got a whole
We
crew
got
here.
Sand toys.
We got a whole bunch of us here.
Yeah, we like staked our claim. People kind of look at our area
Yeah.
sometimes and we growl.
No, we don't.
Back off.
No. It's gonna be cold. Maybe we shouldn't dip them in, just like show her.
Huh? Oh, she's dipping her feet.
Oh my gosh, she's gonna freak out.
She's not gonna freak out.
Yeah. Derek.
What?
You going in? Okay, let's go. We're doing it. Oh, that's so fun. Oh my gosh, I'm not going any farther. We'll zoom in. Oh! No. Dada, alright, enough. Derek! She must love it. Burr. Woo! Alright, going back. Well, this was not how our beach day was supposed to end.
Well, I mean, at some point we probably envisioned getting wet in some capacity. This did not all go exactly according to plan.
We are in our bathing suits, sitting in the car on towels.
Yep.
Because it is pouring, thundering, lightning out. So we had to run out back to the car, and we went down the wrong road. But then we figured out the right road, and then we were drenched.
Yep. Amelia thought it was hilarious.
Yeah, Amelia had a blast, and Amelia has, you know, amples of outfits on outfits, to dry outfits to change into, and we don't.
Nope.
We brought our one outfits, so we're in our bathing suits, sitting on towels, driving home. We thought we might stop at the mall. That's not gonna happen. Amelia's in the back watching Moana. Oh, how nice it must be to be a kid.
Oh yeah. Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. We totally spaced it on the camera earlier, so we missed some cute clips of Amelia in a swimming pool. But hopefully, yeah, I probably cooked those for too long.
Yeah, they're hot.
But they're hot. But maybe we can salvage some of the stuff Mom took on her phone to put a clip together or something. But now we're home and we're eating supper, and Amelia's getting the ultimate trial. Although, man, she's like going through the milk right now. See, this is what happens. You go to the restaurant, you get your drink before dinner, and then you're not going to have any to go with your food. But because of our, because of our dishes situation, Amelia's going like full grown up. She's got like a non-suction plate, a fork, that's adult fork, all that fun sort of stuff for dinner tonight. So we will see just how well this goes over, but we're gonna give it a shot.
Yep.
Give her the chance.
You got this, babe.
I believe in you, Amelia. Nice Moana shirt.
No.
You have milk.
You actually do have a little bit left.
Guys, sometimes it feels like a never-ending battle. Like, I feel like we did really good organizing our pantry today and getting all our dishes caught up on, and laundry, and my sister's calling me. Then I come into this bedroom and I'm like, man, that's a hot mess. I should probably take this. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry, guys. We had some very serious wedding planning to do with my sister. And honestly, at this point, I can't even remember what I was going to vlog about. Man, our lamps are so sad. I don't think you guys can really tell, but like, the lampshades are cracking and tilted. And I thought I had the bad one for a long time, but now I'm starting to think that mine actually might be the good one at this point.
At this point, probably.
Because I think it's the lights heated up and then it gets brittle and cracks. So we never turn mine on anymore. So I think over the past almost 2 years,
Mine's just gotten
yours has gotten worse and worse.
Yeah, we need new tables and new lamps.
Yeah.
But
That's a project for another day. As I was saying, there's always more projects. We got like 3 done and there's like 12 to do, but it is what it is. We'll keep picking away.
I feel like we need to get this shirt for Amelia.
Running on Puffs and Disney Junior. I like it.
Well, she doesn't eat as many puffs now. It should say bananas and Disney Junior.
Yeah. No, it's mostly though just because we don't introduce the puffs. If we get them out, there's some in the pantry, and if we get them out, she will eat them.
It should be goldfish and Disney
Yes,
Junior.
fish, 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 fish.
Pretty much.
So, oh.
Guys, I'm so pregnant.
She's a little
It's
starting
starting to bite me in the butt now. I don't remember being this way with Amelia, but I didn't have to lug around a 28-pound kid all day either.
True story.
I'm toast.
But
Did you catch all that?
most of it.
Okay.
At the end of the day, she's toast, guys. But we're starting to wind down. We just figured we'd check in before we wrapped up and said sorry we did not get more footage from Amelia in a pool, but we didn't have the camera.
Did not.
So,
We can only be good at one thing during the day.
yep. Once this lady's staying home more, she's gonna get into a routine of she'll just be recording everything. You guys will be like, stop, we don't need to see this much footage. I'd be like, no,
Just
show
wanna
all
see
of
if I
it.
got any log footage on here. Nope.
Yeah, we'll just steal your snap videos though.
I do have a couple snap videos.
We'll make those work.
Because she was a wild woman in that little tub.
She was wild in the
Not
pool.
tub, but whatever you call it. Pool.
But yeah, she's not
This is
a
her.
homebody yet, so we gotta get ready for bed too. Yeah, look, there she is swimming in the pool.
I have a couple pictures. Okay. Its tongue sticking out.
Oh, she's a cutie. But yeah, we're gonna wrap things up, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with another one tomorrow, but until then, bye, guys. Guys, look at this tall girl. She's 18 months old today.
Are you 18 months old?
Hello?
Hello? Oh,
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
Hey!
Amelia, where's your phone?
Where's your phone?
Where's yours? Where's your phone? Where is it?
We're working on getting some supper ready, but thought I would start this vlog up. Yeah, she slept for 15 minutes.
Where's your phone? Where is it?
I don't know, Mom.
Where's yours?
So, but we have to measure her today
Should we go get measured?
because she's 18 months, so that's the next milestone that we're going to mark on her measuring rack. Go find Mama.
Let's measure you.
Also, guys, I got another new escape room game to try out. Even though we have like 2 that we haven't done yet, I got 1 more to try out. So
Nice and tall. As tall as
get
you
nice
can.
and tall. Yeah.
As tall as you can. Whoa, girl. Look up a little bit. Look up. Look up.
Right there.
Am I straight?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, look how tall you are.
Wow.
Wow, you're so tall. Okay, come over here.
Look how tall we are. Right there's our mark, guys.
There's our mark. I gotta make these pen. These are all pencil right now. These are her. This is her when she was 6 months old. I put her.
Yeah, you
birth
look like you've
height
grown
here.
2 whole inches.
That's her birth height right there.
Wow, that seems so tall.
I know, right? Trust me, you don't have to push it out. So that's how tall she was at birth. 6 months, a year, and now this
18
is
months.
A year and a half.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Even that seems
what?
so
Okay,
tall.
Okay, wait, what is this?
That's
This
2
is
feet.
24,
Yeah.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
30 and a quarter, maybe 30 and a half inches.
Yep.
You so tall, girl. Give me 5, you tall girl. Yeah, all right. High five. High five to everything. Give Mama a high five.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay,
Other
now
high five?
Watch Mama write on here because you're not allowed to.
And I to brighten her day. What I did to finish off this project is I took sentiment from our tank dye. I layered that a couple of times together into the card stuff, so I created
She went that way.
and I added a little bit of glossy accents over top. I poured the sentiment. I actually had cut that from some card stuff and then used those pieces to create and those little dots you see in the leaf.
Woo!
Say, hey guys! You twins are matching! You matching?
Hello.
Here, look, you say hello. Say hello. Whoa! Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who are you? Who are you crazy girls? Careful, be easy with her. It's like, bring it on. Oh, you holding hands? Whoa, there she goes. Wild woman. Oh my goodness. And what's going on over here? We got toasted peanut butter coming right up. Should you butter that side too?
The bottom one.
Oh, I said should you? I don't know.
This
These
one?
things, yeah.
Yeah.
Just working on it.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you guys ever had toasted peanut butter before? It's quite delicious. We're gonna see if the girls like it today. Let's hope so.
Because we're out of cheese.
We ran out of cheese! Girls!
Who the heck runs out of cheese?
Oh, we have. These two triple makers. Have to touch everything. Yeah, it smells good.
Chocolate.
Careful. Where you going?
She's gonna slam it. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh, there's them. Okay, open it back up. She'll do what? Hello? May we be of assistance?
Yeah.
Yeah? Is it a mirror on the back? Oh dear. Oh.
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go? Are you coming out? No. Oh my goodness. Lekka didn't come out
She
here.
likes to look at herself. That's probably what she's doing.
Oh my goodness. Let's just bring the camera over there. See if we can get a shot. What you doing? Okay. So fun. That was fun, huh? Oh goodness. That's beautiful. I guess we just wanted to serenade us. Come back and sing to us. Amelia, come sing. Come sing to us. Where are you?
What are you getting into, Miss Olivia?
Uh-oh. Busted. Busted.
You want to find your shoes? You want to go outside? And then you make big bubbles. I bet they still have those.
Ooh, hi. Whee!
Those big ones. Olivia, an airplane! Look up! You see it?
Oh, it's way up there.
Oh, it's going behind the clouds. It's hiding behind the clouds currently.
Did you pick a flower? Thank you. You smell it? Here, smell it.
Olivia,
Good job.
quick!
Go give it to Auntie.
I want to go where they're going. They're pretty high.
Oops. Olivia's hat fell off. Can you put it back on?
Probably tried to see the plane. She'll see it this time. If she looks. Oh, there it goes. Look. Over here.
There it is.
You see it?
She's looking. She's like, Mom, I'm looking.
You see it? The airplane? Where is it?
Whoa.
See it, don't you? Over there.
Dog.
Looks like it's turning because it keeps like shiny and not shiny. It's kind of like maybe moved a little. Bubbles! This was 99 cents at Target.
There you go. Look at all the bubbles. Marley, I'm not playing with you right now. Not while the kids are out.
Nope.
Sorry. Give it to Ava. Give it to Ava. 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 Ava.
What's her name? Ava, Abba, and Sophie Fifi.
Yep. Girls, be careful of the girls. There they go. What are you doing up here? What you coming up for? Oh, what you coming up for? Be careful, please. Oh. You having fun? Hey. What do you see, Amelia?
One that kind of like makes them all go up too.
Go, Olivia, go! Go, Olivia! Amelia, you gonna go play with that? She's like, why? When I got the water table all to myself. Look at you being all yardly. Whoa! Woohoo! Uh-oh. What happened, Olivia? Whoa, no! Amelia, what happened? Quick, quick! Put it back on! Good job! Quick, quick, Olivia! Put yours back on too! Hat. Hat, Olivia. Oh, you're gonna put that one on, aren't you? That one doesn't fit you, baby. Give it to cousin. Put yours on. Get it out of the water. Is that right? Put your hat on, please, Amelia. Amelia Lynn, please put your hat on. Thank you. Good job. Good job. Good listening. Put it all the way on. Good job. Livia, can you put your hat on for Auntie? Livia. Where'd cousin go? Amelia. Up, leave your hat on, please. Come play in the water. Woohoo! She really wants. Woohoo! Is that cold?
I'll probably turn it down.
I think it's hilarious. Oh no! Where'd it go? Oh! Oh, Olivia's just gonna carry it away. Whoa! Careful. Wow. I hear him walking around and it's like quick, 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 in the grass. Splash, splash, splash. Whoa.
Working on those spots.
It wasn't as strong of movements. But today's been fun, so I'm just gonna...
Those come and go, and that's just, it's that balance of how worried do you ever get.
Right.
You come in if you're worried. You know? If you came in every day, I'm not going to think any less of you. We're going to try to figure out maybe a way we can do it. If everything's A-okay, and you don't have to come in every day, we'll try to figure out some way to reasure you.
Yeah.
But if you had to, you had to. So yeah, use your best judgment. People do get those slow days, and that's always okay. As long as it picks back up.
Right, and today he's been fine. Been feeling him kicking over here, so...
That's a good heartbeat right there.
Strong.
So are you inspired to show us some of your pregnant dance moves? This girl and her pregnant friend are sharing pregnant YouTube leaks. Just you're just gonna give them a taste, a hint of what you got in a text message.
Oh my gosh, I don't know where Krista found this, or what she was searching for, but let me see. It's coming, but it's like a advertisement. It's this guy dressed up as a pregnant woman, and he has altered his voice. This is what she sent me.
This is what I walk into the bathroom to find my wife breaking it down to. As she's, you know, putting on her belly cream. Like she's got a little bounce going while she puts on her belly cream. So.
His fake belly is really good.
Yeah.
It's got a very accurately large fake belly. I thought it was hilarious.
It was definitely chuckle worthy.
And yet you can't help but like at least nod your head to it.
Yeah. So we've just gotten Amelia down to bed, and she slept really good last night, but tonight was super easy bedtime. She didn't have a nap today, so we knew she was tired. But like,
how cute she is.
she just went to sleep in Jess's lap. She hasn't done for a little while now. So I picked her up and laid her right down in the crib on her pillow, and that's where she stays.
She's holding on to Hop Pop.
Yeah, she's got Hop Pop like this, and she's just laying on her pillow. Oops, I'm not even pointing at myself. I can't tell, but
She's pushing all sorts of buttons on the back, I think.
oh, I've done terrible things. Yeah, that's okay.
Anyway, she's out. I
Yeah.
at the light. I think
So.
she had a good day today playing. Excuse me, sorry. It's a lot of gas with pregnancy. Both ends.
Yeah, she, Aunt Rose watched her today, which was the first full day that she's watched her, and it sounded like they had a really good day. She said Amelia wanted to play all day, and she said she did not have any interest in napping, despite a couple of attempts, but she had plenty of interest in playing, so. But now we're just kind of like hanging out, because she went to bed so quickly that...
I know, usually it's like a at least 20-minute process where I'm rocking her, and then I'm like preparing her, saying, okay, in just a few minutes, Dada's going to come in and put you in your crib.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's like, okay, in a minute, Dada's going to come put you in the crib. It's like, okay, Dada's going to come put you in the crib.
So it's that thing that we're
psych her
like
up for it.
gradually like shrinking that window so that like her going down the distance between reading our books and her going down is getting shorter. But tonight it was not even close because she just fell
passed
asleep.
out.
Like she didn't have to put herself to sleep because she fell asleep right in Mom's lap.
Yeah. Which I'm trying to avoid, but I know she didn't have a nap today, so I was like, yep, please fall
So,
asleep.
like I said, it's not like it took long tonight.
No.
There's only so much you can do.
Yeah. No, I was glad she fell asleep pretty quickly.
So.
Yep, she did good. She didn't eat very much supper,
Yeah.
but
It sounded like she had a really good lunch. So.
minus the green beans because our microwave was exploding.
Yeah, that was something weird happened with our microwave apparently, where it was like electrically zapping a plate of green beans, but Rose could not detect any source of why that may have been happening. So she even like checked to see if there was like foil that had gotten into like the green beans or something, but there was nothing. So I don't know what caused that, but we'll have to keep an eye on the microwave tomorrow. So.
I'm texting Krista right now.
Oh, about the Pregnant Pops dance?
Yes, and also that if I had gotten out of work early today, I was going to go over there and look at her nursery, because I can't wait to see it. But I got out late, so I just came home. And also I want to ask her how she's feeling.
How are you feeling?
Pretty good. Tired. Just don't sleep great, which is probably why my body made me sleep in this morning.
Everybody slept in this morning. It was great.
We all got up around 6.
Yep.
A little bit before 6. But I was up at like, what time did I?
A little after midnight?
A little after midnight I was up and went pee. And then at like 2 o'clock I was up again, and then at like 3 o'clock I was up again, and then at 4 o'clock I was up again. And at 5 o'clock I woke up again and looked at the clock and I was like, just a couple more minutes. Then I slept another hour. It's like, oh, okay.
Jess had to wake me up last night. I watched the first episode of Luke Cage on Netflix, which I just never got around to watching when it came out. And I really like the Marvel shows on there. So the first episode was really good. And then Jess woke me up halfway through the second episode because I apparently fell asleep with it still running. So I haven't watched the second episode yet, but I'm looking forward to it because the first one was pretty good. It's a slow burn, like it wasn't like a lot of character building stuff in the first episode, I can tell. So looking forward to more of that. But now I think we're gonna go watch our show for tonight.
Yep.
America's Got Talent.
America. You see me in that? I mean, I feel like I'm really close to this edge if I'm even
You're totally in it.
cut off.
You're definitely off to this side, but
Yeah.
now you're center. It's the rule of thirds. Don't you know about that?
I do know about that. I am going to be a professional photographer here pretty soon.
Oh yes.
Isn't it only
Technically
required?
true.
Yeah,
You are getting paid.
I will be getting paid. For any of you people out there,
Just
a
be
very cheap photographer.
travel
I'll show
travel
you my
charges
stuff.
might be hard, but
Travel, I will charge you for travel. So be aware of that, especially if it's gas. That's gonna be a hefty charge, but
I was thinking like planes, trains, and
planes,
automobiles.
even that far, yes, yep. Plane tickets are not cheap. But anyway, I doubt you'll want me, especially to fly me somewhere random to take your picture. Anyway, I'll do it though.
She'll do it though. But alright, thanks for watching guys. We're gonna check out for today, but we'll be back with another one for you tomorrow. But until then, bye guys.
Bye guys. Am I?
That time you were not at all
I was
in-
not even in.
That time you were not at all in
Bye
it.
guys. Hey guys, welcome to the Children's Museum. Go, Amelia, go. She's looking. Go, follow Auntie. Good job. What's over there? What's over there? Where'd you guys go? Where'd you go? Oh, there's a beaver over there, so cute. I see Auntie. Careful.
Walking under there.
Amelia, where'd you go? Where is she?
It only goes around.
Amelia, come here. Come back around. I gotta go find her. Olivia, come here. Go follow Auntie. Olivia. You go fishing? Here we go. Come on. Go fishing. Over here. Here we go. Good job. You're free. Alright. Good job. Oh my goodness. Now what are we doing? Are we fishing? Whoa, there's fishies.
Definitely has a huge hole in the front. This reminds me of kind of like water.
Oh. Olivia's like, I got one. This is cute. Fish finder. Olivia's like, I got 2. How many did you get? What you got, girls? Wow! Wow! Amelia, come see the boat. Where is it? Where's the boat? It's this way.
Okay, this boat.
Oh, is there another boat? Oh, there's a big boat. Amelia, look, it's a boat. Want to get in the boat? Does Mama have to go return the carrot? Yep. Wow, look at the boat. Want to get in the boat with cousin? Boat? Want some help? There cousin goes. Cousin's getting in the boat. Wow, she says. Wow. That is one awesome boat. Look, Amelia, there's hats. Do you see the hat? Olivia, put on one of the hats. Can you say hat? Amelia's still trying to get in. Amelia, put on one of the hats. Do you see the yellow hat? You're gonna look awesome in that. Can you put that hat on? Yes! Look at Mama!
Oh, shoot. Olivia.
Fish! A fishy! Fish! Fish!
Olivia.
2 fish! 2 fish and more hats! Oh, is that the motor? Is that how it goes? Yeah, that's how it goes, huh? Motor. Amelia. Wow, good job. You're good at that. Wowzer, girl. Let's see, how does that cousin of mine do it? She's waving. She's rocking it. Play, play, play! Amelia, can you play the drum? Careful. Big step. Passport station. Whoa. I wonder what that is. Booklet style passports available at the front desk. Cool. Wow, that's a big boat. Let's go look at the boat. There's a big boat. This way. Wow.
Let's go see Parky Maine.
Here we go. This way. This way. Left turn. Left turn. There you go.
Can I go in the boat? Let's go.
Here they go.
I'm flying around and grab the balls.
Wow, look girls. Does it spin?
Wow.
Wow. Look at the lever. Oh my goodness. And the buttons.
Olivia, come here. Let's go. Look at
Wow. There they go. Wow, it's a box from Italy. Oh, careful.
Jack, how do you like my fragile box? Hey, look. It's fragile. No one.
Hey, Erica, will you take a picture of us up here?
Arigato. Thank you. Arigato. Thank you. Sayonara. Goodbye.
Sayonara.
Taiyo. Sun. Neko. Cat.
We're going this way.
Sayonara. Goodbye. Neko. Cat. Taiyo. Sun.
Mia, come out this way.
Taiyo. Sun.
This way. Come on, Olivia.
She just fell on her cushion.
Sayonara.
Goodbye.
Sayonara. Goodbye.
Bye. Oh, she got on the truck.
Sayonara. Goodbye. Sayonara. Goodbye. Arigato. Thank you. Taiyo. Sun. Taiyo.
Oh, it's like, is it really that slow? Or too fast? And go sit with cousin? Go sit.
We're almost there. Keep going. Keep going. You got it. Here goes her shoe.
Look at her go. Driving girl. Say beep beep. Say beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. What are you doing, Amelia? Wow. Okay, girls, cook me up something good to eat. You gonna ring me out? Feel like I can't reach. Ooh, is that a bun? Is that a bun? Can you find me a hot dog to go in it? Hi! Is that so fun? Look at her, Eric. Crawl, baby, crawl. Oh, there you go. Wow. Where'd Auntie go? Where is she? She's over there. Look. Come on. Over here. Look. Oh, now we're gonna go over here. Whoa, what's this room? What's this room? What is this? Wow.
Amelia, you ready to go to work for the day?
I think it's.
You got your keys, you got your dress shirt on. You looking cute, girl.
Brand new, unused M1.
Yeah, you're crazy. Hey, look at Dada.
That's not what I want to know though.
Oh, you're so pretty.
I don't know.
Say, Grammy, look at my shirt.
I love it. You're so pretty. I love it. You're so
Oh, give Grammy kisses.
Oh, I think you
Yeah.
should show the vlog this picture.
Oh, yes, guys. So, I never realized I was, I guess... Are these for me?
You can have some.
Okay.
I can leave those. I already ate 3.
I was a blondie when I was a little kid.
If you eat them,
Does that-
you eat them.
I did too. I ate most of them. I just want one.
Hello, Emma Dad.
Sorry, guys. We're arguing
What you
over the
doing?
pinwheels.
Okay.
I was a little blondie. Look at me, babe. I was a cutie.
I know, you're so blonde. And I see so much of Amelia. It's
Yeah, this
ridiculous.
is there's a lot of Amelia in this picture. So